episode, we're going to have a look at making a record read-only. So you can see we can make a change here, and when we update the record, we see that the record is updated. When we publish this, now that this article is published, we can no longer change it. If we come back to edit the post, and if we make another change and we go to update it, we then get an error saying that the record is read-only. So even though this record is read-only because it is published, if we go back, we can unpublish the post, and now changes are permitted again. And so even though the record was read-only, we're able to conditionally override it with, for example, publishing and unpublishing the post. And so to start out this application, I have a fresh Rails 7.1 application, but this functionality will work with older versions of Rails as well. And I am using action tags for the content of our blog post. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift in Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.